If you are using NuOp to find service professionals to get things done for you, the fastest and easiest way to get that done is by creating an open opportunity. There are two types of open ops, a job and a referral. In your case, you would most likely be using the job creation flow each time because you are seeking the service for yourself. If you are a service professional looking to use NuOp to grow your business, then know that the most impactful thing that you can do on NuOp is to create open opportunities. When you create an open op, you are automatically notifying other members of NuOp that you are a business creator. Being a prolific business creator is attractive to everyone else on NuOp. In other words, everyone wants to be connected to the best op creators. If you're a service pro looking to establish a meaningful reputation with the NuOp community, the best way to do it is to create open ops. Okay, please continue watching this video so that you can learn the best practices for creating open opportunities. All right, let's take a look at how to create open opportunities. Before we go into the creation flow, I just want to point out that this here is the list of opportunities out in the home module. And what you can see is that you'll be able to see ops that are open to all members, but also you'll see your own opportunities that are only viewable by you and the other person. So this says direct to Judy Watkins. This was one that was sent to Neil Gage. I'm logged in as test user Judy Watkins here, so you can see her name. So what I'm trying to explain to you here is how you can create jobs and referrals and get them into the open public so that people can engage with your opportunities. So what you do is you go up here to the create button, and in this case, let's just select a job. All right, and what you want to do is you want to post a new job. Okay, not a past job. You can track your past jobs as well, but in this case, we're going to post a new job. And this is the key right here, visibility. You're just going to open it up to everyone / the public, okay? So we'll just go ahead and select accounting. Let's say that we're looking for an accountant as a contractor to help us. We want to, have them file our taxes every year so we could do short-term or just a one-time job, but most likely it'll be a recurring type of thing. I don't care if my accountant is location dependent. I could, use them for wherever they're looking for. So down here, you just enter into the description 130 characters. Now, I'm going to explain a little bit in just a minute on why that 130 number is very important. But needless to say, you can come in here, you can delete all this out, and you can write in whatever you want in here, right? So when you get to enter all this information in, you will, just get 130 characters here. You'll get to the preview screen, and then you just hit submit, and that's it. I mean, it couldn't be more simple and fast to do. It's all on one screen, and it just gives you all the information that you need. Now, sometimes what will happen is you'll have an opportunity, if you're a service professional in particular, and you kind of get turned around sometimes and you forget, like, is this really a referral or is it a job or is it an intro? And I just want you to see this right here. You're creating a job in this case. Do you know the difference between a referral, a job, and an intro? So you can always come here, hit the learn more button. This gives you very short definitions. If that's not enough to get you home, hit the click here button. That brings you to this knowledge base article, and it will tell you everything that you need to know about the differences between the type of opportunities. Okay, but just remember that in order to get open ops that are open to all members, for every member to be able to see them, you have to create either a referral or a job. The intro is only going to be visible for the 3 people that are part of an intro. All right, let's take a quick look at the referral flow here real quick. You'll see it looks very similar, and it is very similar. We'll go ahead and open up this up to everybody again. We'll select accounting this time. Let's say I have a client that's looking for an accountant. That's what I'm going to use the referral for, right? If I have somebody that is looking for somebody else, I want to recommend. If I'm hiring somebody directly, that's a job. Okay, in this case, we're in the referral flow. So it's a lot of the same fields. The only difference is there's a referral fee if you wish to collect the referral fee, and there's client information down here. All right, to enter in the client's info. Now, it's worth noting that the client information will never be shared with anybody other than whom you award the opportunity to. So you can rest assured that this information is protected and will not be given out to anybody that you do not want to give that information to. The other thing that's worthy of being noted here is that the client will not be notified about this referral. At this point in time, we do not have that functionality, but in the future, perhaps we will have the option for you to enable a notification to the client if you choose. Okay. So same deal. You go, you fill out all the fields, you hit the next button, you look at the preview, and you hit submit. It really is quite simple. Now, one last thing that is very important to mention is that when you create an open opportunity, so for example, Jane Steinhoff created an open opportunity. She's looking for fence services, right? So if people come in here, you can see that people are engaging with this opportunity and recommending people to her. But also, what's very important to note is that out on the front end of our web platform, you'll see that this page was automatically created. And I want to come all the way back to the 130 character requirement in the description field. I know that a lot of people sometimes huff and puff and get a little frustrated with that. But the reason why that is because this landing page is out there in the open. It's almost as if when you create an open referral or a job, like you're creating a blog post, right? So that's good for you. It's good for your business because it gives you visibility out there in the general public. People will see your name. These pages are well indexed by Google. Okay, so this is what the front end opportunity page looks like. You can share this on social media if you like to kind of promote your opportunity. Say, hey, check it out. I'm looking, for this service provider, so on and so forth. And what's nice about these pages is that it always links back to your profile page out on the front end. Now, one thing that I want to mention to you before is that I did mention to you before in the profile, in the quick start video for profile, was your share link, your unique share link. This is where it comes through, right? So this is what Jane's share link is. And before we actually took a look, the example was Judy Watkins, right? And in that case, it was just her name. So this is what Judy's front-facing page looks like, right? So she can just take that link and share it with anybody that she wants. So if you want to invite somebody to join NuOp, this is a great place to send them to, because if they sign up to connect from this button through your page, they'll automatically be connected to you, and you will get the credit for inviting that person to the platform. Okay? So look at how open opportunities can lead you in so many different directions. The other thing that's worth noting is that when these open opportunities are created, notifications go out to people that you're connected to, people that have the profession of fence services, related fields, so on and so forth. So you're creating some buzz out there, and you're positioning yourself as an opportunity creator, which is a great thing to do on NuOp, because that's what it's all about.